Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. Nexo.io, a comprehensive look. Nexo.io has established itself as a prominent player in the digital finance arena. This platform offers a range of services that cater to both individuals and businesses interested in managing their digital assets. One of the core features of Nexo is its ability to function as a cryptocurrency lending and borrowing platform. Users can deposit their crypto holdings and earn interest, while others can borrow against their digital assets. Interest rates are dynamic and are influenced by market conditions and the specific cryptocurrencies involved. Nexo claims to offer some of the most competitive rates in the industry, though it's always wise to do your own research and compare options. Beyond lending and borrowing, Nexo provides a platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. This functionality simplifies the process of acquiring and disposing of digital assets, often at competitive market rates. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, offering users a diverse selection to choose from. Nexo also emphasizes security, employing robust measures to protect user funds and personal information. These measures can include two-factor authentication, advanced encryption, and custodial insurance for a portion of assets. Navigating the Nexo platform is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface. Whether you're accessing the platform on a desktop or mobile device, the experience should be generally straightforward. Nexo also offers a mobile app for users who prefer to manage their crypto on the go. This app replicates many of the functionalities found on the desktop version, allowing for convenient access to your account and transactions. However, as with any financial platform, it's crucial to understand the risks involved before committing any funds. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile, and lending or borrowing can expose users to potential losses. It's recommended to thoroughly research and understand the terms and conditions before utilizing any of Nexo's services. Do your due diligence and consider consulting with a financial advisor if necessary. Always remember that the information presented here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Check the description for links and further resources.